Welcome to Python for Introductory Statistics. In this video, we'll learn how to find the correlation coefficient of a pair of data. Let's look at this example. The midterm exam out of a total of 100 points is given in X, and the final exam out of a total of 200 points is given in Y, and for a random sample of 11 students. Now we have to find the correlation coefficient. So as before, we will need to write X and Y separately. So we'll have X as 65 and comma and everything, and then same with Y in order to put them in Python. So let's open um, Google Colab. I already have one, right? And we just used this earlier. So let me copy these values. We have the scatter plot here. Now we needed the correlation coefficient. So for correlation coefficient, we could do a numpy, and there is another better method, but for now, let's do that. So import numpy. As you can see, there is an option here that we can click, which makes things much easier. And now we have, let's paste our x and y. Now the numpy function for correlation is np.corr. This right here, correlation coefficient, but we had to give it the variables are x and y. And if we print this, print out is slightly confusing. It's a matrix of 2 by 2, but there's only one number, so you can guess that this is the correlation between x and y, and the correlation between y and x is the same. So the correlation coefficient is 0.87974. Now, there's another way to do this, and I will show you that because it will also include the estimated slope and intercept and other things, but that's one way to find correlation coefficients using NumPy.